Efraim, welcome. Good to have you with us.
Thank you for having me, Tyler.
We are delighted. Let me begin by asking you what you are doing with respect to selling product in Russia or Belarus, and is that a material part of your business?
So it was not a material part of our business, but we actually immediately, about 3 or 4 days into the invasion, decided that we would no longer ship into Russia, either from our websites or to our retail customers there, and then quickly followed on with Belarus as well. We knew that was it's important to me personally, but it's also would be important to our consumers and our employees as well.
You know, you had a wonderful quarter, and you're a global brand and a global manufacturer of watches and other products for other brands that carry other names, but you're the manufacturer. We've been talking a lot this hour, Efraim, about globalization and the global markets, and whether that phenomenon has peaked and whether there's going to be a return to something sort of less globalized. I'd like to get your thoughts on that, because obviously you have built your brands on a global basis. You've benefited from that trend, I'm sure, in terms of manufacturing and distribution. What do you think?
So we're a global company, and I think that you'll see changes, but that you're not going to see dramatic changes. So over 50% of our business is internationally, and we have probably close to as many employees overseas as we do in the United States. Our brands are global, so brands like Coach, Calvin Klein, which we're launching now, Movado, and I think that that's here to stay. There may be markets that come and go, but that's going to continue we're going to continue to operate in a global world.
Efraim, it's Morgan. I mean, I realize record quarter, stocks trading higher on the heels of those results. You did delay some product launches. You are having some labor and supply chain challenges. How long would you expect those to persist? How can you counter them with higher prices?
Well, so you know, we see inflationary pressures really on today. Everybody's cost of living has gone up. We have to pay people more, and we want to pay people more. So we do believe that we're able to pass some of that along within our brands in price increases. We implemented some towards the latter half of last year, and have implemented some during this year. Our teams stay really close to our supply chain, and have great long partnerships and relationships. And so we've been able to manage the supply chain over the last 2 years extremely well, especially if you go back to the beginning of the pandemic. Supply chains ceased as they started up, markets closed, and we were able to really, through excellent communication, restart really quickly, and today are in pretty good shape.